Unlock the power of trading with Trojan Bot for Solana. Are you ready to elevate your trading game? Discover the incredible capabilities of the Trojan Bot with Solana, your ultimate trading companion. With our free 3-day trial, you can experience the benefits. First, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Join our Telegram bot. Head over to our official show, Telegram bot, and connect with the community of savvy traders. Simply click the link below to get started. Join the Telegram bot. Step to download the software. Once you're in the bot, follow the prompts. To download the Trojan Bot application directly to your computer. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy to get set up in no time. Step 3. Extract the archive. After downloading, locate the zipped archive file and extract its contents. This step is crucial to access all the powerful features of Trojan Bot. Step 4. Launch the software. Open the extracted folder and run the Trojan Bot application. Revisit the Telegram bot to access exclusive features and support. As you embark on your trading, why choose Trojan Bot? Cutting-edge technology harness advanced algorithms designed for optimal trading on the Solana network. User-friendly interface. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, our software is designed for everyone. Free 3-day trial. Experience all premium features without any commitment.